Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This vlog will be about us getting a new car, and I'm on my way. We went there by a bus, a passenger bus, and this is where we reach the showroom. And my father is doing with all these contract things, like the signing and all of that. And yeah. After we got the car, we went to worship Kalimai. So nothing happens when we drive this car, or we believe in all of this. So literally we in there, and this is us going there and doing the rituals for the car and for our family. After the prayer, we came back, and at Ningtagong we had some edibles, and we are entering right there, and that is a family restaurant out there on the right side of, not off, but near the project gate. Yeah. On that day evening, I met with my friends after a very long date, and I literally came back on my way to home because of my mother, and I'm here at Ningtagong buying some stuffs for them and for me. And this is the things which I got. I called a friend to come and pick me up, and he's not yet. And I've been walking for so long. Ooh. It would have been better if I've gone by an auto. I've been walking like this, and he is not coming. So this is what it happens when you have strict parents, when you can't go out without their permission. He came, and yes, thank you guys for watching till the end. And if this made you sneeze and even made you smile, please do like and subscribe my channel. Please share it, and see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, stay safe and have